Lapho uMagingxa made me cook lesifiso sokuhamba umhlaba wonke jikelele singakhala nje eAfrika sikhala amazwe wonke umhlaba wonke jikelele sibone ngalamadoda engisebenza lawo ukuthi senkingeni ukuthi ulwazi lolu lungachabalala ngakho silesifiso ukuthi silulondoloze ngakho ngokukhangelisisa inkinga le sesithetha amanyathelo ukuthi sivule iPatreon account ungabona nje ungahamba ebulenjini www.patreon.com Magingxa made me cook oqala sile package esibiza lithi ubuntu package lapho uzathola behind the scenes mayelana ngenhlelo zethu ezihlukeneyo sikhayele kakhulu ukudla kwesintu lamasiko sithanda ukubonga ngokusekela lapho uMagingxa made me cook.
uMembeso kwa eligama lithi uMembeso lisuka ligame kwegame elithi uyambesa. Xa usambesa ke ungumuntu onika izipho kule meko ke esithetha ngayidibene nomtshato.
Hi, Thamsanqa, yamukela kuhlelo likaMagingxa made me cook. Welcome. If you're first time on the show, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. So, Silabo Enkeda 8, which is in the city of Bulawayo, about 12 km from the city of Bulawayo. Silabo for uMembeso, obviously uMembeso, Xhosa, and so they within Zulu culture. But basically uMembeso is introduction of umakoti within a homestead. And lapho sizobona uMembeso ka Thamsanqa umfoka Dube, Bukiwe, all the way from Eastern Cape, Mthatha. So excited here on Magingxa having this thing. First time documenting this incredible ceremony. So we're here also to learn about the Xhosa culture and the Ndebele culture, seeing that there's going to be a fusion of two cultures and also other several cultures that are here within. You see just behind usengena manje umakoti bathwele izipho gifts and what one is Xhoseni qathelile ubalekile ukuthi umfazi ehambe lezipho eqalise umntene eqalise umuzi eqalise her home with gifts so that she does not borrow from anyone and she's able to have a steady homestead. So Thamsanqa, super excited. Let me go join the scene.
Na okokuqala ndizalwa kwilizwe la South Africa kweli aphondo kuthiwa yiMpuma Kapa, Eastern Cape, kwidolophu ke engenkulu ekuthiwa iDutshwa. Hlala kwezo lali ke ikokokuqala ke torho ke ndisiza apha eZimbabwe. uMembeso kwa eligama lithi uMembeso lisuka ligame kwegame elithi uyambesa. Xa usambesa ke ungumuntu onika izipho kule meko ke esithetha ngayidibene nomtshato. Njengoba abantu ebebezakuzakuza bakulomyeni bebeye bayocela ukwalamana nani baze nabo banikela ke ngenkomo. Inkomo ke ze asikuko abanye bacinga bafana ba yilohweba ilohweba kuvavanya nje amandla elakhaya nonyani buyakwazi usebenza ngamelana nalo myeni. Kuthi ke ngoku xa seziyophethweni kuse kufika ithuba lomtshato, ngoku ke kufuneke nelakhaya lize libonakalise ukwamkela nothakazelelo lobuhlobo naba bantu ke ngoku bahlobene nabo. Kuye ke kude kubekho ilisti phofu ehamba ngokusekhusini uba ngubani nabane sinomombesa phaya. Bantu ke abadla ngongashiyeki, uyise nonina womfana bafana sheke, udade noba sele ngasekho ibe khona into ebizwa ngegama lakhe, nomama noba kasekho ibe khona into ebizwa ngegama lakhe. Uze kuthi kwaba bantu bekubizwa kuba ngonozakuzaku, the negotiators, bahamba phaya bayocela intombi, nabo ngokwasesithetheni sethu banezinto abazinikwayo. Yeke ke into ba ezi zinto ziye ziphucuka ngokuphucuka kuba ngaphambili izinto ezinje ukhukho umuntu ozolala kulo, ikomityi mhlawumbi utata azaphungela kuyo ne-teaspoon nentoni, iiglasanyana neejagi ezawunika umama, ziye ziphucuka ke ngoku kude kubekho needyasi neejesi neehempe nezihlangu neentoni. Ndiyabona ke bethu ngotshintsho kwindlela ke sibona ngayo kwinto zenkcubeko culture nokutshintsha ke kwezoqoqosho ngaphandle. Ngamanye amagama xa ndiyishwankathela laa nto ndithi iyasamenta. Siyaziqonda kodwa nathi ngokwethu siyazibonisa ukuba siyaluthakazelela olu lwalamano ebenicele kulo ngokunika ezi zipho kweli khaya ngolu hlobo.
ugogo kaThamu, ugogo omncane, ugogo kaThamu sowasitshiya, lo mama kaThamu basitshiya bonke. uThamu umzukulu wami, uThamu umntwana okhule etshengisela ikusasa yakhe ukuthi izaba njani. Namhla uze wafika emaphethelweni ukuthi esitshengise sibili ukuthi mina angizange ngitshintshe ngiswela ngingumntwana kuze kube la namhlanje. uThamu uthe seqeda isikolo sakhe yikho kusuka kwakhe la esejoyina abanye khona leSouth, wajoyina abangane bakhe khona leSouth. Hayi sezwa sibili besilokho sikhulumisana sisizwe ukuthi kuhle kunjalo. Umama wakhe wahamba wayafika wabathi hayi gogo ngimbonile umntwana, hayi usiphilele sibili uright okunye. Labangane bakhe khona ngale sebengena elwandle sokusiba kuhle kusiba njalo.
So i-understanding yami ngoMembeso, it's mostly ukwamukela umakoti, right, by ifamily yakondoda. So depending on the culture, depending on the belief of that particular family, generally uMembeso is that ceremony where umakoti comes in officially, ayamgelwe khaya, and then depending, just like I said, depending on the families, as in families bayamgqokisa whatever they want to dress umakoti with. As in family, they just, if it's from a Christian background, they just invite a pastor, akhuleke, bless the union. or if it's mostly traditional, kulala process yokuthiwa umakoti uyahlatshelwa imbuzi and then kuthathwa inyongo, I'm forgetting the term, echolwe inyongo, then uchithwa inyongo umakoti. That is depending on the family. So generally, that is the foundation or the fundamental attributes or principle that has to be followed in building a family when it comes to officially welcoming umakoti into the family. Yeah.
Into emnandi ngoba ngumXhosa, I feel like kumphofu eyona nto imnandi ngoba ngumXhosa is how united we are. I feel like wherever I go, I mean, for example, ndihlala eDurban now, which is not Xhosa people, obviously it's another culture or tribe, but whenever ndibana nomuntu ongumXhosa eDurban, we just gravitate towards each other, sivele sithandane nje. So unity is definitely number one when it comes to what I like about being Xhosa. And then the culture yethu, man, I feel like we singabantu who celebrate kakhulu. Every event, like you can see, we come together, we dress the part, umbhaco, inzimbi zakhona, ingoma esiziculayo. They have meaning behind them. Every song esicula ine meaning behind it. So I just, yeah, that's what I love in the culture. So Zimbabwe, I actually think it's very nice. When we were driving in from the airport, I kept comparing it to my hometown. I was like, oh, this place looks like the competition in Mthatha. This place looks like so. It's like from TV or whatever, you have a different picture in your head, but then you just realize, but it's actually in the way, right? A lot of infrastructure, a lot of agricultural, I don't even know what to call it, you know? So yeah, I really love Zimbabwe so far. And I love your culture as well, man, guys. And also, you guys are nice people. Ngabandaba friendly. No, man, I'm extremely happy for her, ne? She's, you know, I'm the type of person who's always telling people I'm never going to get married. That's me. I don't necessarily believe in the concept of marriage. There's no particular reason behind it. I just don't feel like but I won't lie, seeing her and how in love she is with her husband and the person that she's been ever since she met him and ever since she had umntana wakhe, her daughter, she's just turned into this beautiful, amazing soul. She's always been amazing. But now it's like you can see the glow. We are born happiness episode back and she's actually making me think, okay, maybe I can also do this, you know? Maybe it's not that bad. So I'm just happy for her. I just wish her all the best. I mean, I hope she knows Uguti, she will always have us as a family, no matter, as much as now we are technically giving her away to the Dube family, but at the same time, I hope she realizes that whenever she needs us, we're always going to be there for her. And we actually want her to be happy in her marriage, which she absolutely is. So, no, man, it's been a beautiful ceremony and she deserves this. No one deserves it more than her. She deserves this.
Uthamu uthe esezuzane le ntombazana yakhe nale kazange amfonele waqonda ukugada wabuya wazontshela wathi gogo sengizuza umngane hawu yebo khonale ye kuhle mntanami into enhle ukuthi kona ungazasiyangisa wena kumele ube indoda emadodeni nxa usuzuza umngane wakho nalo make sure ukuthi lizahlalisana ngoba lapha are two different people omunye lawo le culture yakhe omunye lawo le culture yakhe but mostly okuhle ukuthi abantu bahlangane phakathi lithathe wonke ama cultures la yathathe yangapha la uthathe yakhona ngale hayi kwaba kuhle kwaba njalo wabuya njalo gogo sesithwele umzukulu wakho yebo ye umntwana lo umama wakhe wayevele lesifiso sokuthi uThamu abe yindoda emadodeni ngoba ngiyakhumbula umama ke sichile sithe nxa sikhangela impahla saficana kule suitcase yayigcwele impahla zabantwana engakathathi lenkazana engakabi lo mntwana uThamu Mama ke sithi Thamo ngifuna ukuthi athathe mama impahla lezi ngifuna ukuthi ngizigcinele umzukulu wami. So mama vele lanxa wayehambile wayefisa sibili ukuthi umntana kathathe abe lemuli laye kusasa. UThamo unguye yedwa umama wakhe. So njengomzali uyabufisela okuhle okwenziwa ngumntwana. So mama ke wayemfisela sibili ukuthi akuthandabuzeki la namhlanje nxa abantu bebuthene benje bebuthanela uThamo sigida sikholisa senze nje. Umama ke isifiso sakhe sibile wayefuna ukuthi antu yakwazi abantwana bakulezi insuku uzazothi hayi lapha sengilomunye umntwana lapha sengilomunye umntwana kodwa yena umme lentombazana yakhe yona leyo kuze kube la namhlanje.
There are so many memories that we share to Thamsanqa, but one of my standout memories about Thamsanqa, 2021, when I got the call that my father had passed away, I called to Thamsanqa. He was one of the first people that I called. He was one of the first people who came to be with me in East London throughout the whole process. That to me meant a lot, and it made me understand how close mina lo Thamsanqa are. I mean, there are so many other memories as imnandi, but because that was a moment where I was at my lowest, but he was there. I know, like, from the start of the relationship, developing into umntwana, developing into him going to uyalobola up until today when we are officially doing uMembeso. So I think it's a good love journey that you can see where it started and where they are.
Mina sevuma nje ukuthi andinaziqu zokuba mfundisi. Mina bevuvula isikhungo sokufundisa abafazi. Ngesikhungo bezofundisa abafazi ngokuqondiza emzini. Bafundise ngokuhlonipha imambezana, bafundise ngokuphatha kwendoda, bafundise ukuthi kumelana kanjani nabomakhelwane abagwilikile empelweni uyisichaka. Nangoke umfazi okhitshwe izinkomo. Yazi lo mfazi yena unomehluko from abanye abafazi. Akanawo umhlobo ovuzayo ngisho sinambili usawuto. Aswazi ucela wakhe ngoba phela somphendwe kube bandaba bazodayisela amakhelwane. Nikwele khuluphele nje usawuthi lapha wami bonke abasigugubeza bayothotshisa abazalwane uthando so dapoet
Ayakhozo ke ukwambesa kuye kubekho nezomtshakazi eziyawusetyenziswa ngqo ke nguye sisiya kokwabo ziyawusetyenziswa baloku umfazi wasesixhoseni ufuneka ngakumbi elotyolo uyawufuneka athi awufika pha abe nayo imbiza azawupheka ngayo abe nayo intuntunu azakwenza into ethile ngayizembe ngakumbi ke laa xesha ke ibizinto ezisasetyenziswa yona abe nembiza abe nesitya zakhe awaloku kufuneka aphekile ngomzi uzawuphekela kwezikabani but seyinto yoba ngokwasesithetheni umfazi akanikwa mpahle ngalobola ngalotyolwanga kufuneka kulotyole aze ke enye igama lithi kukwendisa endiswe ke ngoku ngezi zinto abekho nokukhuthala loba asiwe kungavele nje kuse ekhona basikhona sisithethi beke sathetha lonto abazali ngamanye amagama babe bamkhulule kubekho abantu abayawukhokhela oliyaduli kuba iliqela dalibizwa kuthiwa luduli iyawukhokhela oliyaduli ibe yinto ke endithi yatywina ke ngoku is like signing a document ukuthi hayi ke nyani ke ngoku ngale exchange ngezi zinto nyani nina bakwaDube nani bakwaMagingxa ngoku sibantu banye